Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Ground down through your hips. Before we begin, let's sweep our arms up overhead and bring your hands to heart center. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Relax your hands on top of your knees with your palms facing up and give yourself some time to arrive here, focusing on your breathing in and out through your nose. If you have any thoughts during this meditation, remember that it's completely normal. Allow your thoughts to come and go as they please. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose, breathing in gratitude, and exhale anything that no longer serves you. Again, we take a deep breath, breathing in positive feelings. Exhale, release anything that doesn't bring you those positive feelings. One more time, we take a deep breath, breathing in ease and clarity. Exhale, release any stress or overthinking that you may feel. As you relax into your meditation, start to take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. As you continue this meditation, your body will naturally start to relax, but we're going to take a full body scan just to see where we can relax a little bit more. Let's start by relaxing your forehead and relaxing your eyebrows. Soften your cheeks. Relax your jaw and your mouth. Soften your shoulders and your arms and your fingertips. Relax your belly with each deep breath. Relax your hips and your legs and your feet. Bring to mind one thing that you can do for yourself today that will bring you positive feelings. It can be anything, something big or something small, but just think about it. As you think about that, I want you to listen to these affirmations and maybe you can repeat them to yourself. I deserve a peaceful life. I welcome clarity and abundance into my day. Positive energy always finds me. I am a magnet for miracles. As As we close out this meditation, bring back to mind that one thing that you can do for yourself today to bring you those positive feelings. Make sure you carve out some time today to do that thing. As you enter today, remember to be calm and intentional. And remember that positive energy and abundance will always find you. Slowly bring your hands to heart center, holding the positive energy that you just cultivated. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. When you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.